Hello, it's Duncan from Common Sense Home, and today I'm going to make the exceedingly easy basic cranberry sauce. So easy, my mom sent me to record it because it's practically impossible to screw up. First, you need your 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Put the water in, put the sugar in, then you just blend that together and dissolve it all nice. Like so. Now starting the heat on. Oh, starting the heat so it brings up to a boil faster. So you just dissolve it, and then once it's at a boil, you put this in, although it's going to take a bit. So there's not really much to it. All you have to do is dissolve this. You can add other things to it, like lemon zest or orange zest, or just a slice if you don't want to bother with zesting it. It takes 12 ounces of cranberries, or 4 cups. It's a rough measure, but I know that's close enough. And here we are at a boil and ready to add the cranberries. So you add your cranberries. Be careful because it is hot, so you don't want to splash on yourself. And then you just reduce to a simmer. And simmer, stirring occasionally for 10 minutes. A couple other things you can do if you want to add different stuff to make it more flavorful is add a cinnamon stick to the bottom, so that's in there while you're cooking. You could add some fresh or dried ginger. Those are also nice. And if you want different ideas, you can go to the post and they got a whole list there and such that have nice ideas for what to add. Sometimes you can hear them pop when you're stirring. And bam! It is done. So turn this off. And that's all there is to it. It's done. You can just serve it up hot or chill it and serve cold.
Don't forget to store it in the refrigerator.
Oh yeah, store it in the refrigerator.
And it's fine to make it well ahead.
It's fine to make it well ahead. Anyway, so thanks for watching. That's all there is to it.